I'm Joanna Simpson here at Risk Minds International in Barcelona. Joining me now is Paola Rensi, Director of Risk and Capital Analytics at ISDA, and Lisa Galletta, Director of Risk and Capital at ISDA. Thank you both for joining me.
Thank you for having us.
If I could just start by asking you, Paola, how are you finding the conference so far?
Oh, it's been amazing. Well, here in Barcelona, the weather is amazing, the company, it's nice to see so many people, finally.
And Lisa, what's been your experience?
I think after all, the past 3 years, it's great to be back in person, especially with such a great, diverse crowd of risk-minded people and, folks that are focused on the same areas. So it's good to be able to share views. I think it's good, just to be back in person and seeing people again.
And Lisa, what are the recent developments in crypto assets capital?
Yeah, so the Basel Committee issued its second consultation on the prudential treatment, capital treatment for crypto assets this summer. ISDA, along with 7 other trade organizations, responded to that consultation process at the end of September on behalf of our members. The second consultation included changes which the Basel Committee considered on behalf of the industry, which we submitted last year as a part of the first consultation process, which included additional granularity for Group 2 crypto assets to allow better hedge recognition for those types of assets for Group 2A, like crypto assets like Bitcoin, as well as the second consultation also allowed for the use of modified standardized approaches for Group 2 crypto assets, so all, a good improvement. However, the second consultation, as written, will make it difficult for banks to engage in this space. So the industry responded as a part of the joint industry process to highlight these issues, which includes the removal of a newly added infrastructure risk add-on, as well as recalibration of a new limit on Group 2 crypto assets, as well as looking at redefining the risk factor structure that they introduced for the Group 2A crypto assets market risk structure. The Basel Committee is set to finalize this framework by the end of the year, and really how, whether or not they take these views into consideration will really determine to what extent banks will be able to participate in this space.
And Paola, what is special about crypto derivatives in respect of traditional derivatives?
Right. Well, I'm tempted to say not much, but perhaps let's take a step back. So crypto derivatives exist in different forms. So there are the non-regulated crypto derivatives and the regulated ones. Actually, the non-regulated space, it's much bigger for the time being. Also because of what Lisa just said, the banks are not that much into, the regulated crypto derivatives trading yet, because of the rules are being finalized recently. So in the non-regulated space, we have, for example, a lot of perpetual swaps. Perpetual swaps are an instrument that exists also in the traditional finance, but it's not as widespread perhaps as it currently is in the crypto space. So that's quite interesting. In the regulated world, as of now, we mainly have futures and ETFs, exchange traded funds. So, but yes, volumes are still a bit lower. But I think what really we wanted to highlight, which is what we published in a white paper last summer, is that when we look at hedge effectiveness, which is the ability of crypto derivatives to actually cover for the swings in the underlying crypto asset, it seems to work quite well. So there isn't really a big difference in terms of performance of the hedge. We have run a test this hedge effectiveness test that we borrowed from the IAS 39 old standards. And our results on a bunch of crypto derivatives that we looked at, regulated ones, were very positive. So, and the analysis covered also times of, well, crypto stress somehow, like the recent Terra Luna crash. And even in that period, we didn't see the hedge effectiveness test fail. So crypto derivatives are a good tool for risk management. Yeah, so we believe they can be used for sure.
Paola Rensi, Lisa Galletta, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.